Hey friends, welcome to Irregular Plurals Day 3. Our learning goal for today says I can decode and read irregular plurals. We are continuing with our work with irregular plurals today. Let's review. Remember the other day when you saw this chart and I had different examples of words that become plural instead of adding s or es at the end of the word? Let's take a look and review some of these. Remember, a plural is a word that means more than one. Let's review this card from the other day. This is a picture of a wolf. To make the wolf plural, we changed the F at the end of wolf and made it V-E-S. Some words have a few spellings while others just have one. For instance, I have the word knife. Knife becomes knives because it ends with that F, and I drop that F and make it V-E-S. The next word, potato, when I make potatoes plural, I add E-S to the end of the word. Therefore, commonly when a word ends in an O, to make it plural, you're going to add ES to the end of the word. Person becomes persons and people. And sheep is interesting. Even if I have one sheep, that's the same spelling of the word I'm going to have if I have 4 sheep. See how some of these just don't follow a rule? How confusing. But we'll get it with a little bit of practice. So let's practice with these 6 words. I have the words life, calf, thief, volcano, deer, and tomato. 2 of these words end in an O. 2 of these words end in an F. Remember those 2 rules that we talked about? That might make this a little bit simpler for you. I'd like you to pause the video, practice with your learning guide, and then come on back when you're ready to check your work. How'd you do, friends? Let's take a look. The word life, remember it has an F in the middle, so I'm going to drop the F and make it V-E-S to be lives. We wouldn't say we have great lives. We would say we have great lives. The next word is calf. Calf ends in an F, so I drop the F, make it a V, and add ES to become the word calves. Thief also ends in an F, so I drop the F, replace it with a V, and add ES to make the word thieves. Now you'll notice volcano and tomato end in the letter O. Therefore, all I do is add the letters ES at the end to make them plural. Volcano becomes volcanoes, while tomato becomes tomatoes. Interesting. Remember the last word that we talked about that didn't change, and that was sheep? Deer is the same way. Deer does not change whether you have 1 deer or 2 deer. It is still spelled the same way, D-E-E-R. You friends have done a great job with irregular plurals today. I hope to see you next time.